1. Try e-commerce business on TikTok. Where to buy products to sell on TikTok. This video will give you some small tips. You can find a TikTok manufacturer via the directories and suppliers listed below. Some of the most common places to find your products' manufacturers include: use Alibaba. Alibaba connects you with manufacturers from China. It's a common marketplace to find existing products, but you can also use Alibaba to connect with manufacturers to create custom products. Simply search for the products you are looking for and browse through the various suppliers and manufacturers. By the way, you also can looking for other China online wholesale websites. Use free online website to find manufacturers' directories. Another place to find a manufacturer for your brand is free online supplier directories. These directories act as manufacturer catalogs that contain profiles for hundreds or thousands of manufacturers, wholesalers, and suppliers. Online US wholesalers and distributors directories, like as Thomasnet, MFG, Compass and so on. UK wholesalers and distributors, like as Esauces, the wholesaler and so on. Online overseas directories, like as GlobalSys, Elkexpress, Taobao, Degate and so on. Search on Google. In recent years, we've become accustomed to being able to easily search Google and find what we're looking for in the first few search results. However, many suppliers haven't kept pace with the internet or Google's algorithm changes. Their websites are usually old, sparse on information, and have poor search engine optimization. So how do you find a manufacturer of a product on Google? For possibly the first time ever, you'll need to explore page 2 of Google search results and beyond. You'll also want to use a variety of search terms. For example, words like wholesale, wholesaler, and distributor may be used interchangeably, so you should search for all of them. It may help to make yourself familiar with Google's search shortcuts to improve the quality of your searches, and thus, your results. Use referrals. Some of the best leads can come from referrals. Don't be afraid to ask connections in your professional networks if they have any recommendations, or if they know someone who might. Look for individuals who found success in an area you'd like to pursue and see if they're willing to share their contacts. Social networks have made it much easier to get the word out, so make sure to use these channels. Join Facebook groups and other online communities of e-commerce business owners, and see if anyone there has a glowing review. As you do start to uncover suppliers, even if they aren't the right fit for you, be sure to ask them if they can point you in the right direction. Being in the industry means they'll likely have great contacts, and would be happy to refer you to an option that might be a better fit. Use NAICS codes. How do you find where a product is manufactured? A possible way is by searching for the NAICS code. A NAICS is the North American Industry Classification System, and pretty much every single manufacturing industry and product you can think of is attached to a NAICS code. Sometimes manufacturers and suppliers list products by their NAICS code, which can make manufacturers and suppliers easier to find, especially if you are using professional directories. The NAICS directory can be found at your local library or online. Here is the link for the United States NAICS code, and the link for Canada's NAICS code. You'll also want to make sure you properly vet your potential manufacturer. Once you've narrowed it down to a few possibilities, dig deeper in your research to make sure they're credible. Check the Better Business Bureau, BBB, to see if there have been any complaints filed. Browse the manufacturer's Facebook page reviews, and use those Google search tricks to query the company name, plus reviews to see if any red flags come up. Lastly, when you decide how to find a manufacturer for your product, where you make it might be the most crucial decision. Use China Sourcing Agent. China Sourcing Agent helps TikTok sellers source products in China, customize packaging, and ship them to their customers. They can help you find the products you need at the best prices. They also offer a variety of packaging options to help you create a unique and memorable unboxing experience for your customers. And they handle all the shipping logistics, so you can focus on selling your products. Where to find the sourcing agent? We are Sourcing Agent. Tell us your needs and we will help you solve them, so you can focus on selling your products. Contact us now.